जब से ये इंसिडेंट हो गया, एज द हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट एंड सीनियर एपिडेमोलॉजिस्ट, I was assigned by the district magistrate to investigate all this matter. So हमने once we started the investigation, we did a thorough active and passive surveillance of the cases. We did the verbal autopsy of the deaths. Everything we took food into consideration, water, everything. We did a preliminary baseline investigation, and based on our epidemiological investigation, as of now, we have reached to some probable conclusions, which will be confirmed by lab diagnosis. Number one, that it is not a communicable disease. That means it cannot be spread from person to person by air, by transmission of any water, air or other things. Second thing is that it is something which is connected with the food. As of now, we could narrow down. We have now narrowed our investigations to the food. Number third, it is not a bacteria, it is not a virus, it is not a zoonotic disease, because as per the preliminary reports from the PGI, NIV Pune, these things have ruled out. So only now what is left is toxin. For toxin also we have sent to toxicology labs, but unfortunately as of now we couldn't identify the toxin. Now what we have done, we have broadened our investigation. We have sent our samples to screen at least 200 to 200 toxins, and hopefully out of these 200 toxins we could find a solution. So our epidemiological investigation will be confirmed by the isolation of the toxin, which the all samples have already sent to CSFL Chandigarh, to Lucknow, to Gwalior and other institutes. So now based on the conclusion of the epidemiological investigation, something is there which is a neurotoxin, which is either taken deliberately or which is accidental. And if you see the sequence of cases, it is coming over a period of time. That means it is something which is coming intermittently. They are consuming either accidentally or deliberately. That is again a question of investigation. But as an epidemiologist, as an expert in this field, we want to identify the toxin so that the future deaths can be averted and control measures can be taken. Only thing which has to establish our epidemiological investigation is the diagnosis of lab. And hopefully in 1 week, 10 days, the panel of toxins which we have sent, we are very, very hopeful based on the clinical features and all the toxins which were enlisted. We will be the labs will be they will be in a position to isolate a toxin, so that once we know the toxin, we can easily take the control measures to prevent it.
जिस तरह से आपने बताया कि कोई आउटब्रेक नहीं है, कोई बड़ा कम्युनिकेबल वायरल इन्फेक्शन या इस तरह का इन्फेक्शन नहीं है, फिर भी उस इलाके में कितने हालात ख़राब हैं और कितनी प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि बाकी लोग भी उस गांव के इन्फेक्ट हो सकते हैं जो उस फूड चेन के साथ कनेक्टेड हैं?
Actually, we cannot call it outbreak because I am an expert in epidemiology. Outbreak is a sudden rise in the cases over a period of time. Here, if we can see, there is not a sudden rise. There is a clustering of cases. We cannot call it a outbreak. As an expert, I can tell we can call it incidents. These are 3 unfortunate incidents which can be linked or cannot be linked with each other. And as far as the food is concerned, based on, as I said you, based on our preliminary investigation, we have narrowed down our everything points out towards the consumption of the neurotoxin which may be in the food.